why the quiet carriage is the most hellish part of the train. I bet they're saying what right, I'm not going to read that. That's just far too long. Um, the quiet carriage is the fucking worst because you're expecting it to be quiet. And it isn't. Imagine you booked you reserved a fucking ticket, a seat in the quiet carriage. Specifically, you tick the fucking box. And then it's like every other carriage where people are just listening to their fucking phone on with a speaker. You're best to just go like that. Just the other ones. Go to one of the other ones because you will also be annoyed with them making noise, but you'll also have this feeling that you can't make any noise because you're trying to be respectful, but nobody else fucking cares, and yet you're being all quiet, and you'll get this feeling of I'm having to be quiet, and they don't give a fuck. It's just stress. Fine the bastards. You can't do anything these days. You fine them, you'll get done for assault.